All right, so today I'm going to show you how to make money on Cash App Invest. Now, we have the app loaded up here in real time. You can follow step by step. Now, if for some reason you don't have Cash App and you want to sign up, I'll have a link for you in the show notes down below. Helps support out the channel financially, but gives you more free content just like this. Plus, you get a nice little sign up bonus using my link down below. We're going to go into the investing portion of Cash App because it's also a money transfer app in case you didn't know. But we're going to see the little icon towards the bottom here. It kind of looks like a little icons for a graph as well as Bitcoin, because you can also do Bitcoin on here as well. Now here with Cash App Invest, you can see I currently have some money in the account, so it's actually invested in the market. So we got about 41.33 in here. You can actually see I invested a total of $39 and we have a gain of $2.33. So this is how you can make some money on here. Now we're playing with a little bit of money, but obviously the more you put in there and if it goes up, the more chances you have to make money. But also gives you chances to lose money as well too. So make sure you are very cautious with this process. So if we scroll down, this is what I'm currently invested in with this account. And you can see right now it is actually sorted by total return. So what's bringing me in the most money right now is this Neo stock right over here for $2.59. So if I click on here, it actually tells me that I've invested $9 in and I've made $2.59. So if I actually sell right now, this will help me get some really nice profits. But if I go back here, you can see I have a couple other stocks like EXP World. I'm actually down about 46 cents in total. So if I sold right now, I would be at a loss for this stock. Now, of course, this can change dramatically from day to day or from week to week or even month to month. But it is a lot of different things that you want to keep in mind when it comes to using Cash App for investing. So they do have statistics on the app itself, so you can learn more about the stocks that you want to get invested in. But I do encourage people to use other websites so you can learn more about these different stocks. Now, the ones we have invested in here today are a little bit more just for fun. So these are just some examples. So for me, if I want to go ahead and actually sell this Neo stock, so I can go click on here, sell, I can sell all the shares I have and click on next. Now I'm doing this off market times, so it's not going to instantly sell for me, but you can see here tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. it's going to sell what I have. No matter what the price is, it's just going to go ahead and sell. I can have that scheduled right over here. And just like that, I'm going to actually start making some money off Cash App Invest. Now, again, that is all just, going through the motions of investing some money in and investing some money out. Now, keep in mind that some of that money will be taxed because it is profit. So if you want to be making some really good money and having some of that profit, you are going to want to be cautious with making sure your taxes are in line. And if you actually want to learn a little bit more about using Cash App to its fullest with buying and selling and everything else in between, I actually want you to check out my video playlist right over here where I take you step by step on using Cash App Invest. My name is Dennis, and I'll see you in that next video.